Good morning, friends. This is C.A. Swarupstocktraining from Stock Show Deck. Today we'll show how we traded a very small trade in HDFC Bank and what are the new developments in our setup. So stay tuned. So we started off our day with this GAAN forecasting sheet, and we took HDFC based on our normal lightning scanner. And the pre-market price was 2995, which was also suggesting that around 10 o'clock, there will be a change in the trend. So after this information we got, we actually, we are into the HDFC Bank chart, and इसको draw करके रखा है. This is the trend change time. Okay, this is the zone. Okay, on now, let me switch on our usual setups. This is our very advanced setup and how we trade it actually. Okay, now once we switch on this setup, you get automatically support and resistance. Okay, we were at this level. Okay, now let us also switch on our GAAN setup, and once we have this entire setup, what we actually saw, let me maximize this. Yeah, now what we actually saw is we were at this level of at 9:15. It's a 15-minute chart. Now in a 15-minute chart, if you look at it, we had a prior downtrend. Okay, it was coming down. So at this level, we got a soft signal that the cobra line is bending. We got a very soft signal that trend might change. Okay, now this is 9:15. I did not know here that the trend would change. Okay, so here at this dozis, this was actually giving us a feeling that once after a downtrend, if you get a consolidation here, trend might change, might not change. But why we were actually expecting a trend? Because we had support lines here, automatically drawn support line from previous ranges. So, and at this level, once we know the GAAN support level would be 10, this thing I have already drawn it. So therefore, in a running market, you could have drawn when you reach that time. We actually measured whether it is a bull trap line or not. First of all, first measurement. So this was a, this particular line, this was a long-term line. Okay, now long-term support line, and we got here what we have got here in this belt. We had a strong resistance, and it is actually a bear trap line. So once we know the bear trap line, it gapped down. Opening was gap down, and we got a very deep green candle, and we realized that this is the last point, and it was confirmed by my bear trap line. So we bought exactly at 2700 level. Okay, one lot. Then how did we manage our trade? Okay, now once we have this level, then we know that it was a bear trap, so it will go up, and it moved very fast. Now once it was going up, now first of all, we knew that this was actually a great resistance level. And what we also know, we normally do one more thing, that we measure that what is my bull trap line on above. Okay, so therefore on the bull trap line, we also drawn the bull trap line here. What is the line we got here at this level? So when you are at this level, you knew that that this is the level from where your entire bear trap line will start. Okay, this is the zone. This is the zone of your bear trap line. Okay, so you can see exactly. Let me again delete this line. So this is the line where you are also getting a long-term resistance, as well as it is a bear trap line. So the moment we bought, हम लोग सौदा कहाँ लगा के रखा है? हमारा लाइन आ रहा था 2733, हमने 2730 में लगा के रखा है, and in 3 candles we got. So how much money we have got? I will explain you a lot of things today. Okay, so it is a 300 rupees lot. In a 300 rupees 27 30 ने हमने 33 में नहीं निकाला, 2730 minus 2700 में मेरा एंट्री था, तो therefore we got 30 point into 300 lot. It's a very small money we have got, 9,000 rupees. Okay, so and it's a very quick trade that we have executed. Okay, fine. Now this trade is, what is special about this trade is that when we were entering the trade, we actually entered based on bear trap and we exited based on bull trap. Okay, now let me delete these lines, trap lines, and I would like to I'll show you one more thing. Whenever I open a chart, I first look at the health of the chart to this is a GAAN line, so GAAN line also now it is not required. I will delete it. I first looked at the chart health. What it was, I used to see what is my trend. Yes, it was a downtrend coming up. Okay, after a long downtrend, what was my expectation? My expectation was reversal. So what will be the reversal? I look at this particular meters. Okay, this is number one, current trend is bearish. This current trend ये इसके लिए दिया है. Why I am saying is we have actually we shorted at this level again and holding that trend. Okay, why we are doing it? I am explaining why we have done it. Okay, now we have one more thing here. Now once we reach here, it is giving us a signal that Bollinger Band is band work has started. What is band work? That the stock is basically kissing the lower band, Bollinger Band, and it has started working. The band work has just started, so the downtrend has just begun. Okay, of course it can take a support here also. Is a long term trend line, because we shorted it here because there was lot of rejection at this particular line, and that was also a bear trap, bull trap line. Okay, now the second confirmation that we have got is a red bar here. Red bar suggests that that's a very good reversal point. What is the reversal point? Stock reversal point. Now here, if we look at these lines here, you got a reversal line here, because at this level, at this particular level, this is a very strong line from where the stock is rejecting. Okay, and यहाँ हमने Q short किया. The short किया इसीलिए क्योंकि of course there is a squeeze, but we have confirmation that you have a double top here, so therefore we shorted around at this level once it was actually going down. Okay, now what are the confirmations that we are getting relayed? Stock has started a Bollinger Band work. What is the Bollinger Band? This is the Bollinger Band work. Okay, now this black line, this is the Bollinger Band line. Okay, number two, what information it is giving? Stock is extremely bearish. Okay, third, what is the RSI value? RSI F is falling, so it's a falling RSI at 43. This is a very good information. Third, fourth is your bearish dispersion. Dispersion is a measure of central tendency. That's a statistical method. This, unless it is becoming potential reversal or green, no buy is recommended, because this is a it has to break the 1 standard deviation line. Okay, so we are not learning statistics here, so I am not explaining this. Another information that we have got here, what? That price crosses PDC, previous day close, at 2711 was the previous day close. So therefore you have got all these bearish confirmations, so that's the reason we shorted it here. And you have also a good trend line here which has been broken, median line which has been broken. Now this is the only thing that has to breach. Of course, in any way, if it goes up, we'll give this stop loss my cost price, so there is no problem. So we are holding this. So this particular setup actually keeps on relaying you that what is happening in the current market. Now I will show you another stocks, so that you can understand what kind of information you get. So this is a Glenmark Pharma stock. Glenmark Pharma stock. Again, this is rejected from this stock. I have not taken trade. So, but I am explaining with the setup. So you have got a rejection here at that trend line, long term trend line, and then you have a doji second trend line. Third is this is the median line. So median line, this is bearish, price is below view up. So therefore all these informations together actually gives you a feeling. Now at this level, it is in a no trade zone. Okay, NTZ at this level there is a no trade zone. So do not do trade unless this is now given a signal that is a bullish dispersion means now I am readying to be bullish. So once we have this trend green, I will buy. Okay, or once this particular level crosses, because this is 618 level, so this crosses, we will buy. Okay, the informations which are actually getting relayed are invaluable informations. So you take any stock, Nifty again, you got a red bar here. A red bar means what? Red bar means is a sale bar. But then if you look at Nifty daily chart, what you will get, you have also got a red bar, but this is a green candle. Okay, Nifty gap down. So if people are thinking that Nifty का सब हो गया है, खत्म हो गया, नहीं कुछ भी होने वाला है नहीं, क्योंकि it has got a very limited downside. Okay, so therefore don't be under the notion that Nifty is very weak. अगर weak भी होगा ना, इस लाइन क्रॉस करेगा, उसके बाद हम सेल करेगा, इतना तक मिलेगा. और इस टाइम अगर नहीं हुआ, यहाँ से लेके ऊपर जा सकता है, तो हम ऊपर बाई करेंगे. वी आर नॉट बुलिश और बियरिश. एंड इसमें क्या है, ऑटोमेटिक हायर लो लोअर लो ये सब पेंट करते इंफॉर्मेशन देते जा रहा है. सो उसी लिए हम लोगों का कोई प्रॉब्लम होता ही नहीं. ओके, हम लोगों का जैसे लेवल आएगा हम वैसे ही काम करेगा. एंड वी हैव गॉट द रिले सिस्टम हियर. Okay, now this is 15 minutes chart. It is showing an inflammation. So and we'll also look at what are the major supports. See, देखो major support भी इधर है. So therefore if the support breaks, we'll look for 297. So all the support resistance are automatically drawn. If you look at Bank Nifty is relatively weak. Bank Nifty, it started off the day with this is a 5 minutes chart. It started off the day with a gap down opening. After that you got a support range here. So either with this strong support and these are all lower weeks, so therefore you have a buying opportunity here, and it has gone up further before it came down. Now why this green line is basically a window gap, previous daily window gap, which has been broken. So once this is broken, which means now I can delete this line, because window has done its job, it is not required. Okay, so then look at the support and resistance, how it has come. Now from here you get a very good angling trend line. It has been rejected, so the stock is not able to come up. Then the Cobra line, if you look at, Cobra line is also going down. So and you have the relay system, stock is mild bullish. That means if you see, this is the current trend showing bearish, but now from the bearish it is turning to be bullish. Why? Because it has given a signal it is mild bullish, and it is also showing it's a potential reversal zone. So therefore once the stock crosses this particular resistance of the trend line, that is the long term median line, we can buy. And if it fails, then after this line I will sell. In between we will not. And if you look at this particular signal, you got a down pressure, down arrow, which means at this level this is a profit booking level, because this arrow indicates that this value was previous 100 period back value से ये highest है, ये highest level का RSI है 100 period back. So that means this is a profit booking zone, and we got a vertical bar here. So therefore I expect a big movement here. So यहाँ से लेके आप short कर सकते हो या put ले सकते हो. So there are a lot of methodology by which you can do with this with this kind of software. It is very important level that it goes. You look at BTC USD, this is in the current day market. You have a vertical bar, so therefore you will have a big movement. You have a hard sign here. That means in this particular candle, which has a rocket, it has a rocket move, very very highly volatile move, and the volume here is double the volume of the current average. So therefore in the past period of 30 average, this is double. So these are the information you get, and you have a big support here from all time great level. ये बहुत बड़ा important support है. Once this is broken, then it will fall very badly, and once this is the support, again it will go up. So this support resistance, this particular guidance line, arrow, this star means Bollinger Band, outside inside, that is a volatility divergence. So as you trade, you get lot of information to really manage your trade, how to guide you. Yeah, these are to guide you, how to do the trade. See, for example, the current level of RSI is saying that RSI F48 means at 48 level RSI is falling, and falling RSI means the speed is slowing up, and once the speed is slowing up, it is expected to give a retracement. Okay, and also price is current price is below view up level. What is the view up level? 48,870. What is the current price? 48,812. So view up it has just crossed below view up. Okay, so these are the informations which you really get in a running market. And we have got another software, which is our normal NIkola software. NIkola also, we have this NIkola satisfied here at the NIkola Lal in the Canara Bank at this level, and once you have bought it here, you could have exited based on our line. Okay, at this level, you can at this level either this candle or this candle or this particular candle. So wherever you wanted to get out of the trade, you could have get out. Okay, this is our normal NIkola signal, and this is our famous our scanner. This scanner is for for Monday trade. You have got SIPLA, UPL. I know you got it at 5 minutes time frame. That SIPLA, UPL, IGL, BPCL, and pharma sector, that's going to be very very sensitive once the market opens. So these are the these are the stocks you should, and then sector you should be watching out for. And this is our option trading scanner. In the option trading scanner, again we have what you do, we have taken a 5 minutes 15 minutes time frame. So in this 15 minutes, these are the stocks which are expected to have a move once the market opens on Monday: Nifty, Reliance, Axis Bank, AGL, IGL, and Can Bank. And this is our famous father grandfather son, RSI and ADX. All those things are all combined together. You will not get it in the market. Everything is combined. You can always change the sector. While you are trading in Jubilant Food, you can you'd like to see what is my FMCG or service sector, let's say a service sector. So CNX service sector, if I click, then you will get CNS service sector RSI, so that you can always keep drawing and keep the things which you require. Okay, and you can also switch off many lines here if you want to. Like if I don't want to see sector, so therefore I can switch off the sector line here. In a grandfather line, you can switch off. Father line, you can switch off. So you have a sector line here, so sector we have switched off. You have an ADX line here, so ADX line you can switch off, switch on. You have a Bollinger Band squeeze. Band squeeze is actually these small dotted lines. So all these informations you get in one stop. You also have the regular bullish divergence, hidden divergence. You have these lines, red bar and green, red bar, yellow bar. These are all profit booking and short level, and other things that are present in one particular indicator. So this is a multifunctional, multi-versatile indicator. This is also available for sale. So for buying information, you can go to the description box and go through the videos, and you can talk to me if you want to buy. So this is here Swarup Ghosh from Stocks Today. Bye bye for now.